In 1941, Marie Rankart was working as a secretary with General Motors in Detroit, Michigan.
When we were hit by Pearl Harbor, the government gave us notification that we had to curtail our automobile production. Well, chaos hit. There were approximately 4,000 people in the plant that were saying, well, what do we do now? We shut down automobiles and went into airplanes. I'm amazed. In a month and a half, we were building the Wildcat. There was a prevailing feeling of cohesiveness, commitment, wanting to succeed. The Flying Tigers were our test pilots. When that plane went up, it was like giving birth to a baby. I'm real proud of what we did, how we did it, and, made the impossible possible. It was a special time.
By adapting their production lines to meet new demands, manufacturers like GM played an essential role in the war effort. By 1945, GM had produced $12 billion worth of military goods, becoming the top supplier to the Allied forces.